We'll guide you through how to fix a Bluetooth speaker not connecting to a phone. If you find this useful and it solves your problem, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be really frustrating because you're wanting to go and play music, sound, or other media to your speaker and you're unable to connect. So we're going to guide you through some different fixes you can try. Make sure you watch this full guide and let's get started. First of all, what you want to do is you want to go and swipe up on your phone and head to your settings. You can search the top of the settings or just find it on the app pages. Press connections and come to Bluetooth. First of all, what you want to try doing is if you've previously gone and connected to the device, press the gear or cog icon to the right, and we're going to go and unpair it. So press unpair. Then what you can try doing is turning Bluetooth off and back on. Now what you're going to do is come to the speaker and we're going to try turning it on. What you then need to do is make sure you've definitely put it in pairing mode. This does vary depending upon the speaker. For example, on this here, you just go and tap the Bluetooth icon once and it'll be in pairing mode. On this one here, after I go and turn it on, I have to go and tap and long hold this other button. So it does go and vary depending upon the speaker. Once you put it in pairing mode, make sure you go and press scan and I can then go and see them here. Now what you can do is go and try connecting and then you can press pair and hopefully now you can go and connect after doing that, forgetting it and then redoing it. But if it still isn't working on your phone, come out of here and you want to scroll down, find the option for general management and scroll down to reset. Scroll down and you want to find reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings and you can go and press reset. This will go and forget your Wi-Fi networks, but I found that it can go and solve the problem. After doing the reset, come back and go back to Bluetooth and go and try pairing again. Hopefully that will go and solve the problem. If it doesn't, tap and hold the side button. You want to press restart and press restart again and go and turn the speaker off and on again as well. If it still doesn't, just make sure other devices are not connected. If they are, you can go and turn off Bluetooth on all your other devices. Then try connecting and hopefully now it will work.